Hello everyone, welcome to Techwiden. Today we continue our last video on application load balancer on how to disable the public IP address to access our instance and only allow DNS to access the server. Because it is essential to implement a proper security measures for the DNS itself. Let's say we have a web application hosted on multiple servers behind an application load balancer, and it serves as the entry point to distribute our incoming traffic across these servers, providing load balancing and high availability. So by using DNS, we can obscure the actual IP addresses of our servers from the public. When user access our website, they only see the DNS name, which act as a virtual representation of our application servers. So this adds an extra layer of security by keeping the server IP private and minimizing the risk of direct attack on individual servers. It simplifies the setup and reduces the chances of misconfiguration. And we can add or remove the instances or servers without affecting the DNS configuration. Because application load balancer dynamically adjusts the backend server pool and the DNS name continues to point to the load balancer and sharing its seamless user experience. So let us see how to disable the public IP address and only allowing access via DNS. Right now we are on our AWS console. In our last exercise, we have created the three instances: a target group, a security group, and a load balancer. So let us continue it. Go to our instance. Our all instances are in running state. Let us open our load balancer dashboard. Now the catch is, go to our EC2 dashboard and select instance 1. Copy the public address and paste it on the browser. Our instance 1 web browser is working perfectly. Let me copy another instance IP address and paste it on browser. It is also working. And finally copy the IP address of our last instance. So you can see all our three instances are working perfectly. Now go to our load balancer dashboard and copy the DNS address. Paste it into the browser, and our DNS is also working. It means we can access our website with so many IP addresses, but we do not want this, right? Because it is not the best practice and not advisable to expose our website with all instances. But we want our website should be open only through our DNS for more and enhanced security. So this is quite very simple. We ensure it by giving the permission through our security group. So let us go to one of our instances security group. Select the instance. Click on security. And here we have our security group ID. So click on that. Now we have to change their inbound rules. So click on edit inbound rule. Delete all our previous inbound rules. Click on add rule. Select the HTTP protocol and port range is 80. Now this time select the custom in source and select the security group of our load balancer, which we already created and associated with our application load balancer. Click on save. Now let us check the IP addresses of our instances. Let me refresh it. Refresh all other two instances as well. So it is keep rolling. It means it does not work. Now go to our load balancer DNS. And it is still working. Let me refresh it. Let me refresh it one more time. So as you can see, now the public IP address are not exposed with our web server. You must observe that right now we have created only one target group. But in application load balancer, we can create a multiple target group. And it is having the ability to route our traffic, which make them an ideal choice for complex distributed applications. That's why an application load balancer are an excellent fit for the microservices and container-based applications such as Docker and Amazon ECS. So let's wind up today. In our next tutorial, we will explore some other features of application load balancer and network load balancer. So if you like this video and if it is helpful to you, then like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you.